I'm making a device that rolls ball bearings around, and I needed something that separates one of these ball bearings from the others. Now this is the first idea I came up with. The idea is the first ball bearing rolls past this sort of cap flap thing and lifts it up into that position, and then that prong diverts the following balls down the sort of escape chute. So let's give it a try. Now this is with just, oh, and then this flap here, and I've got my thumb on, that's just a counterweight to return it to the start position. So let's try it with 2. Now that worked alright, and we'll try it with 3 and get that one back to the start. So we've got 3 coming down this time. That's okay as well. Let's go for 4. Oops, fiddly thing. So we've got 4 up at the top this time, and again we've managed to separate out the first one. We'll just try it with 5 to finish off with. Here we go. There we go. So obviously it's just 3D printed, designed it on Fusion 360. I'm not sure I'll go for this design. I think it's a bit fiddly. I think I may have come up with a better scheme than this, which maybe I'll show in the next video. Thanks for watching.